Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Moses Mabhida Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. Putunjan.
No, uyabona nawe mfethu mina ngikhuluma kakhulu upresident wama supporters eSouth Africa wonke
Nazo.
ngoba egqokile isikhafu lesi representa iSouth Africa. Wherever you are, mawubona kudlula nje nobhanyabhanya wami uthi ukhothama uthi president siyabonga.
Nazo.
Why ngisho njalo? Because yonke lento eyenzeka la ngayisho 2 years ago, ngayisho last year, and now kunento enkulu eyenzakele eviral yokuthi ama supporters awavumelekanga ukuze stadium ayeze emaqonziqonzi ngendlela okwenzeke ngayo. Why kwenzeka njalo? Because mina ngathi iChiefs is the economic booster. Mayike yawina noma yayofanele kuyozamazama umhlaba. Ubonile kwenzakala amatekisi amabhasi asuke eJozi amabhano yagcwele. iChiefs kuyaqala ukwenzeka lento ukucrasha kwesystem. Ungitshela ukuthi kwenzeka kuphi i-team only Kaizer Chiefs
Mokhuluma ukucrash kwesystem
futhi
usho ukuthi i-social media ngeke ze-crash njengoba kunje.
phahla mfowethu. Uyabona lalela ngitshela mshanami batshela ukuthi ubuye eJozi iChiefs sitalo wami lo uthwele kanzima ebranchini abantu bafuna amatikiti basho ukumbulala ayikho into soyenza awekho wona iChiefs mfowethu umphakathi ngisho amafem ngathi mina ngiyasebenza ngani kwilive ngolwesibili wathi wakudlala iChiefs awusabehave kahle manje emsebenzini sicela uyaphumula uyobuya ngolwesithathu oluzayo ngirelaxile umbona nje iChiefs so iChiefs mfowethu uma uyisupporter mfowethu umqondo wakho ngathi uyatha ngathi kune-drug ekhona uthando lwebhola before sithanda iqembu thina sathanda ini ibhola siya-understand saqala ebhuqwini sichuza one baktona buya ngawo wena buya ngawo dlalana sathanda ibhola saze safunda sabheka sathanda amateam so asiliyenzi lento yokuthi sikriticize amanye amateam sibhekene neteam yethu sakhe team yethu unabi akayindawo ama-players sifuna ukubanikeza imessage uma-higher president wama-supporters wonke South Africa ngisho ujwara wePirate uphethwe mina uyazi iJohannesburg brand ngithi unabi akanikwa isikhathi abadlali abangafuna ukudlala kwiChiefs abahamba akuthi sichitha isikhathi le team inkulu kabi ukudlula umdlalo abakwazi abadlala ukudlisela bashaya ama-back pass ogolkeeper baphasele abadlala amabhola sithi bagibela amabhola sawine ngo-1-0 nonsense leyo thina into esisitsho sithi unabi is here to stay, is here to make i-magic ama-miracle. uRivero is gone. Unabi uyena sephezulu ke lo. Ayeye Nkosi ayeye.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.